it's me, Barefoot Lass. And before we start, I want to welcome all my new subscribers. And I want to thank my other subscribers for sticking with me. I really appreciate y'all. And I have a small favor to ask you. I was thinking about making one more castor oil video. Now, if you have any questions about castor oil, please put it down in the comments. The new video will be your questions about castor oil answered. I got a question the other day about how to make the eyelash serum, so that's why I'm making this video. And please stay tuned to the very end for a really good bonus tip that has to do with wrinkles and castor oil. Let's do it! This is what you're going to need. You're going to need your castor oil, and it should be in a dark glass bottle, and it should be hexane-free, organic, and cold pressed. If you haven't watched my castor oil video, the link will be in the description, and it explains all the benefits and side effects of castor oil, so check it out if you haven't seen it. Next, you need empty mascara tubes, and you can get these on Amazon. I got a pack, and there were 3 in a pack, plus your little funnel, and it was $4.99. Next, you're going to need some vitamin E oil, and you're also going to need some essential oils. If you only have your castor oil and your empty mascara tube to start, you can just fill this up with your castor oil like this. You can use your funnel, and you pour it in, and you have to pour it in really slowly. I'm going to show you 3 ways how to do this. You have to pour it in. Oh, I forgot. Make sure you have a paper towel or a tissue handy. Now you just pour it in very slowly. Very, very, very. Oh, it's so thick and gooey. So that's one way you can fill it up. Wipe off with a clean paper towel, wipe off the edge. So you could fill it up with a little funnel, or you could fill it up with a pipette. Well, it's really called a pipette, but I have my own language, and we're just going to call it a pipette because I just love that word, pipette. So you could do a pipette, and you just go like this and pull it up. And squeeze it in. Or, we're not going to use this one. We're going to switch it up here. I actually got this one too. It's small, and it's only $9 and some cents on Amazon. And it's the Kate Blanc castor oil, and it's only $9. I'm telling you what, these big ones, since the last time I bought a big one, it raised $10 a bottle. It's like the castor oil thing is a real craze now, and they're trying to like rip us off now. Anyway, so this one is a dropper bottle. Oop. So you just put that in and squeeze it in. And if that's all you have, that's it. But we're going to make the super duper lash blaster. Really, it's lash booster. So next, we'll put in some vitamin E. And we want about 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. About that much. You can't mess up. Just as long as you put like 4 to 6 drops. So you put that in. Next, all we have to do is put in the essential oils. Let's say you got it at your local drugstore, And it says natural on the bottle, so of course you think it's good and natural. Well, it's not. Anything. It could be food, it can be beauty products, it can be essential oils. If it says natural on the bottle, that means that there is at least 10% of a natural ingredient in the bottle. The rest of it, it could be a 90% crap. So you want a good essential oil. Of course, I use Young Living, but you don't have to get it from me. I'm going to put a link in the description box, and if you get it, what's the date? This is March the 18th, 2024. If you get it now from my link in the description box, you get 10% off. And you'll use this code right down here. But it'll say that in the description box. Now for the secret ingredients, your essential oils. Now you can use all three of these to make it a super booster. Or if you only have one or two, you would just use those. So the top two are cedarwood and rosemary. Both cedarwood and rosemary stimulate hair growth and improve circulation. So you could use one or the other, but I'm using both. Next, we're going to use lavender. And lavender keeps your hair follicles free from bacteria, which could be the cause for your slow hair growth. All right, we're going to take the cedarwood, and we want to put in 3 to 4 drops. Then 3 to 4 drops of the rosemary. And 3 to 4 drops of the lavender. And that's it. Now we put on this little doohickey that comes with your mascara bottle. You just push it in. And then put your spoolie in. You want to leave a little bit of room at the top so that it doesn't overflow. And then you just turn it and roll it around a few times, and you're done. Of course, you could be like me and be fancy schmancy and put a label. I put Lash Blaster instead of Lash Booster. But you can put a little label on there, and then you're done. Now, you're going to want to put this on every night. Some people see results in like 2 to 3 weeks. And people like me who pulled out all my eyelashes with this contraption, I hardly have any eyelashes left. So it's going to take mine a couple of months. Now it's time for the bonus tip. Here's a quick tip to diminish your wrinkles. Before you go to bed or after your shower for the night, all you do is put on your regular serums that you use. Like I use the ordinary Matrixyl, and I also use essential oils. Then, after you put all of your serums on, then top it off with the castor oil. And just tap it in. And that's it. When you wake up in the morning, you won't believe how nice and soft your face is. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Okie dokie. See ya.